To begin row 23, I'm going to make a single crochet in the space under my hook, 4 chain picot, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch on top of the single crochet to close the picot. 2 single crochet in the same space, 1, 2, chain 1, 3 single crochet in the next space, 1, 2, 3. 4 chain picot, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch on the top loop and the next one of the single crochet to close the picot. 2 single crochets in the same space, 1, 2, chain 1. I'm going to repeat the stitches in every following space. Continue 3 single crochets, 1, 2, and 3. A 4 chain picot, 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch to close the picot. 2 single crochets, 1, 2. I completed the stitches that go inside the chain space. Now I'm going to chain 1 and repeat 3 single crochets, 1, 2, 3. 4 chain picot, 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch in the single crochet to close the picot. 2 single crochets in the same space, and I completed the set of stitches that go inside the chain space. Now chain 1 and repeat 3 single crochets, 1, 2, and 3. 4 chain picot, 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch in the single crochet to close the picot. 2 single crochets in the same space, 1, 2. Chain 1 to go and repeat 3 single crochets in the next space, 1, 2, 3. A 4 chain picot, 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch in the single crochet to close the picot. 2 single crochets in the same space, 1, 2. I completed the set of stitches. Now chain 1 and repeat 1, 2, 3 single crochets, 4 chain picot, slip stitch in the single crochet to close the picot. 2 single crochets in the same space, 1, 2, and chain 1 to go and repeat. So I show you enough repetitions. You go ahead, continue, and see you at the end of the row. I'm here at the end of row 23. I made my last chain. I am now going to make 2 single crochets in the space where I started. 1, 2. Slip stitch in the single crochet before the picot. Chain 1 for security and cut. I'm going to count my stitches. I have 85 sets of the stitches that go inside the chain space with 1 chain in between each of them. I also have 85 picots. This is the end of row 23. I'm going to show you 2 methods of joining the first pineapple to the last one. This is the seamless method. I made it in 2 different colors so you could see. I made the green one first and then I made the orange and joined it to the green one. See, there is no seams. I'm also going to show you a second method. The second method of joining the first pineapple to the last one leaves a border. You sew it in. But I'm going to show you both ways, and it's up to you to choose which method you're going to use. So that's it for today. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.